Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yes, and we're back again. We're back again with it. Yes, Lalisa. We're back with Lisa. With a music video called Lalisa. Lalisa. So, once again, thank you guys for the support and the love and the reactions. So, this is the third one today. This is the third reaction video I'm dropping on either this group or Lisa today. So let's jump in this one and hear what Lisa got to say.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Let's go. This one came out in 2021. Hold on. When was this really? Oh, 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Okay. 2 years ago. Okay. Just making sure. All right. Everyone looking at my back. Light shine pink. Obviously, Blackpink. Yeah.
Want you to ring the alarm 세상에게 알려 내 이름에다 입 맞춰 Say Lalisa love me Lalisa love me Call me
Lalisa love me
Oh 알잖아 attitude 뭐 터져라고 The latest in the room Just say Lalisa love me
I love the way how she just switched it up. She just switched up from one language straight back to another language. She just, yo, ease. Let's go again, man. Yeah. Shake up the world. What's her name?
머리를 하얗게 피운 채 시끄러운 감정을 태울래
Burn.
그때 난 네 갈증을 해소할 샴페인 셉셉 나를 들이켜 그래도 저 높이 내 발이 빠뜨려 Want you to ring the alarm 세상에게 알려 내 이름에다 입 맞춰 Say Lalisa love me
Lalisa love me.
Oh, 알잖아 attitude 뭐 터져라고 The latest in the room Just say Lalisa love me Call me Lalisa love me Oh, 알잖아 attitude 뭐 터져라고 The latest in the room
Whoa!
Baby get the microphone put it on speaker
Yeah.
I said I can't hear you so you need to speak up
Speak up.
This shit on stereo everyone else on very low protecting like a barrier promise there's nothing scarier than
Wow. Woo! The loudest in the room for sure.
in the room. Baby get the microphone put it on
Speaker.
I said I can't hear you so you need to speak up Put that shit on stereo everyone else on very low protecting like a barrier promise there's nothing scarier than me if anybody coming for my man gotta catch a case gonna be my hand bam hit after hit the rocks in my wrist so I call him the Flintstones
What?
So you need to speak up.
What? Did she just switch up?
Stereo, everyone else on very low.
She just switch up again.
Like a barrier, promise there's nothing scarier than me. If anybody coming for my man, gotta catch a case, gonna be my hand. Bam, bam. Hit after hit, the rocks in my wrist, so I call them the Flintstones. Bring me along, 세상에게 알려 내 이름에다 입 맞춰. Say la, listen, love me, la, listen, love me.
That was cold, bro. That was cold.
있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room. Just say la, listen, love me, la, listen, love me. Call me la, listen, love me, la, listen, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room.
Woo!
누구와 또 비교 못해 그래봤자 you can still love me. You need some LALISA.
LALISA.
앞에 서 있는 내 이름을 기억해. Love you some LALISA.
I love me some LALISA.
You gonna see me 어떻게 하는지 다 보여줘도. 태국에서 한국 거쳐.
What the f? Yo! She's switching it up like boom, 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 switching.
Some LALISA. You gonna see me 어떻게 하는지 다 보여줘도.
Yeah.
태국에서 한국 거쳐 여기까지. You gonna see me 어떻게 하는지 다 보여줘도.
Yeah.
태국에서 한국 거쳐 여기까지 went by the throat.
Yeah.
Being the greatest of all time in fantasy. 새까만 비그빛 왕관 belongs to we.
She said being the greatest of all time is not a fantasy. It ain't a fantasy, it's facts. That's what she's saying. That's how confident she is with this. Being the greatest of all time is not a fantasy. It's facts. Lalisa, facts speaking right here.
Time in fantasy. 새까만 비그빛 왕관 belongs to we. Lalisa, Lalisa, Lalisa 하늘이 당당해. Lalisa, Lalisa, Lalisa 저들은 날 원해. Lalisa, Lalisa, Lalisa catch me if you can. Lalisa, 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 Lalisa. Say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room. Just say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room.
Woo! What? Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
모습만 봐도 알잖아. 어두워질
Woo!
분홍빛이 나. 새하얀 조명이 날 깨우면 번쩍번쩍 세상을 흔들어. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? 머리를 하얗게 피운 채 시끄러운 감정을 태울래.
Emotions.
Burn. 그때 난 네 갈증을 해소할 샴페인.
Switch.
Sip sip 나를 들이켜. 그래도 저 높이
Listen for the switch. Listen for the switch.
Want you to ring the alarm. 세상에게 알려 내 이름에다 입 맞춰. Say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room. Just say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room. Baby, get the microphone, put it on
And speaker.
I said I can't hear you, so you need to speak
Speak up.
Put that shit on stereo. Everyone else on very low, protecting like a barrier. Promise there's nothing scarier than me. If anybody coming for my man,
Move.
gotta catch a case. Gonna be my hand.
Rude.
Bam, bam, bam. Hit after hit, the rocks in my wrist, so I call them the Flintstones. The alarm 세상에게 알려 내 이름에다 입
The
맞춰.
switch is effortless, man.
Say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude, 뭐 터져라고. The lightest in the room. Just say Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Call me Lalisa, love me, Lalisa, love me. Oh,
Switch! Switch!
Being the greatest of all time in fantasy.
Switch!
새까만 핑크빛 왕관 belongs to we. 랄리사 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 하늘이 당당해. 랄리사 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 저들은 날 원해. 랄리사 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 catch me if you can. 랄리사 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 랄리사.
L-A-L-I-S-A.
Love me, 랄리사 love me. Call me 랄리사 love me, 랄리사 love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude. 어쩌라고 the latest in the room. Just say 랄리사 love me, 랄리사 love me. Call me 랄리사 love me, 랄리사 love me. Oh, 있잖아 attitude. 어쩌라고 the latest in the room.
Whoa, Lalisa. Jeez. K-pop. Ah, I'm in love. I'm in love with K-pop. I'm in love with K-pop right now. God damn. Girl. I ain't got much. I ain't got much more to say. Drop a like on the video, guys. If you want to see some more reactions from me reacting to Blackpink or Lisa herself, click on any one of these two videos and go over there and drop a like. Make sure you drop a sub to the channel as well, please, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Jeez.